Love. Love is love. Yo.
We're making a cookie video today, and it's a cookie recipe you've never seen before, and I can guarantee it because it's my girlfriend's recipe. She's been working on it for like 3 years, not really consistently, just it's been in development. So we'll make a peanut butter cookie here, we'll make a chocolate chip cookie here, combine the recipes together, see what works, see what doesn't, and I figured it's time to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna pass this off to Sam. Make sure you thank her in the comments because this recipe kills it. And if you did any tweaks to it, put that in the comments as well because recipes are always under development and I would love to see what you guys are doing with it. So without further ado, let's make these amazing one-of-a-kind keto cookies. Let's do it. All right, first thing going in the bowl is a big scoop of peanut butter. Peanut butter can be smooth or chunky here. It doesn't matter, just whatever you like. Then we're gonna add some vanilla extract, 1 whole egg, and an important ingredient here is a pinch of salt, some baking soda. It doesn't have to be too thorough, just kind of combined. And once that's combined, it's time to add in some softened butter. Give that a quick mix as well, and now it's time for our main dry ingredients. And these cookies are gonna be almond flour and a blend of coconut flour. We've had many renditions of using different ratios of flour here. We found that this works pretty well. Now I found some nice low-carb chocolate chips, and I'll make sure I link in the description to where I buy my chocolate chips. Now we're gonna roll these into little cookies of your size, throw it on a baking sheet. These cookies get wiped out. They're so delicious. Keto people, low carb people, no carb. Okay, they have a little bit of carbs, but they're still delicious nonetheless. Now, real quick, I've got a contest for a new logo. Anyone with graphic design skills, you're welcome to enter and get some cash money, and it gets to be my new logo forever. So, the link is down in the description. If the logo is super dope, I'm gonna change mine on my YouTube channel and it's gonna be that forever, and you're gonna get a shout out on each one of my videos in the description, art by your name. So if you got some graphic design skills and want some cash, go ahead and look down in the description for that. Back to the video. I get a little bit of macadamia nut milk to dip them into, and it's kind of like a childhood thing for me. I love it. Anyways, if you do something different, I would love to see it. If you post your recipe on Instagram, tag me so I get to see it as well. And as always, guys, keep it keto, stay healthy, peace.